Hi everybody, Handyman Steve here today. Linette's behind the camera filming, but we are excited today. We are in German Village, Ohio. It's a famous old historical area. It's all brick houses from the 1880s. It's absolutely gorgeous. Come join us and have fun. And subscribe and like.
This park is iconic for Columbus, Ohio. It's Schiller Park. And I can remember playing on that hill over there when I was a little girl. How beautiful the boxwoods are. I thought this one was different because it's white. Most of the houses down here are red brick. You guys, look at the slate roof on this house. I love this home, and I think I love the lights on the side because they have the gas light. This is breathtaking. Look at the foxtail ferns up in the urns. Oh my gosh, I'm doing that next year. That is so pretty. I mean, is that not perfection? Wow. Look at her hanging baskets. How beautiful. This is why we do impatiens, you guys. This one is beyond stunning. Look at the window boxes, you guys. Oh, wow. I mean, all of them are beautiful, but some just stand out a little bit more than others.
Hey everybody, we just started, but as you can tell, it's like this throughout the community. It's just absolutely amazing. The gardens, the architecture, it's just so just fun to be here and relax, and it's a nice shade day and cool and feels good. But anyways, if you're ever in Ohio, Columbus, make this a stop. There's all kinds of great restaurants, delis. It's just a very fun area. So
Yeah, we fell in love with this one here with the glass lantern, or the gas lantern. And it's just gorgeous, you guys. It's just perfectly pristine. And look at the old fire hydrant. I mean, it really just goes on and on and on. How beautiful. I was trying to talk Steve into letting me get window boxes on our second level, but I feel like this might be why you don't put window boxes on your second level. Oh, they got a little book library.
love the sound of the fountains. I think it's so relaxing.
I wanted to show you how they did their evergreen here. Well, I believe those are yews, and they have them either cut in a stair step or they're planted individually as a stair step. I just thought the garden here in front was unique.
$250, $300.
Steve thinks this tree is probably 250 years old. The bark,
the base, didn't you?
the bark is crazy. I just had to show you guys this lantern. It's huge. You guys, it goes on and on for miles here. Look at how pretty. I'm in love with side yards for some reason. And peek through here and show you guys. Hi, baby. Hello, little girl or boy. Uh-oh. She's coming to get ya. Hi, can I get another pet from you? Hi. There's Potter. Is this Potter?
Carter.
Carter.
Carter and TJ.
Oh, you guys are so cute. This is where we get all of our inspiration. Wow. Oh my goodness, you guys. It's gonna go on and on and on. And then when you think it's done, it's not done. Wow, wow, wow. I can't even. And look at the lemon coral sedum as the border. Beautiful. I'm gonna sneak up here. Hopefully they won't care, but I'm sneaking. Wow. Wow, wasn't this such a fun day, you guys? You got to see it in person, though, to really, really appreciate all these gardens. They're beautiful, beautiful gardens. It's amazing here in German Village. Thank you so much for joining us today, and go find your passion today. Thank you.